In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post from Nextdoor app. First, open the Nextdoor app on your device and sign into your account. If you're using an iPhone or an iPad, locate the app icon on your home screen and tap it to launch. For Android users, find the app in your app drawer and tap to open. Once the app is open, enter your login details. This may include your email address and password. After entering your information, tap the Sign In button. This step is crucial because it gives you access to your account and all your posts. You should now see the main feed of your neighborhood. Next, go to your profile and find the post you want to delete. This is typically done by tapping on your profile picture or icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, scroll through your recent posts. Look for the specific post you want to delete. This might take a moment if you have many posts. It's important to locate the correct post because deleting the wrong one can be frustrating. Now tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the post. This menu is often referred to as the Options menu and is a common feature in many apps. By tapping it, you will see a list of available actions for that post. This action is critical because it opens up the options you need to manage your post. You should feel confident knowing that you are just a few taps away from your goal of deleting the post. From there, tap Delete Post. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure that you really want to delete it. This is an important step because it prevents accidental deletions. Once you tap Delete Post, the application will ask you to confirm your decision. It's always good to double-check before making a permanent change. After that, confirm that you want to delete the post. The app will typically provide a message warning you that the post and its replies will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. This is a crucial reminder as it emphasizes that once deleted, the post is gone for good. Take a moment to think about your decision. If you're sure, proceed with the confirmation. Remember, this step ensures that you won't have to deal with unwanted posts anymore. Once the post is deleted, you will see a confirmation appear on the screen. This informs you that the post was successfully removed from your profile and the neighborhood feed. You can now return to your profile or continue browsing the app. It's a relief to know that your account is now cleaner and more organized. In summary, deleting a post on the Nextdoor app is straightforward. Each of these steps plays a vital role in ensuring you manage your posts effectively. By following the steps laid out, you can maintain your profile according to your preference. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.